It is gonna be a sick day! Woo! Today's gonna be a sick day. So today is actually going to be so sick. This has been a long time coming. I have been hunting down a 6-speed transmission for the wagon for a long time, like probably over a year. And they just cannot, like, well anyway, in my experience, I just can't find one. I couldn't find one. Saw a car come up for, like, at a wrecker down in Sydney. They're called On Boost Auto, I think. If they have a website, I'll link it down below. And basically they posted a full STI 6-speed driveline, tail shaft, R180 rear diff, rear drive shaft, so that I can keep the 5x100 wheels. And Subaru owners will know what I'm talking about. Usually you have to do like a full hub conversion, new WRX suspension, the whole kit. So not a chance in hell I'm doing that. So finally this has come around where I'm actually going down to go and get it. It is going to be sick. It is going to be so good. It is going to be a sick day! Woo! But first we're going to go get a coffee, so let's do that.
Hi, welcome to the channel. What can I get you today?
Hey, can I just get a double shot iced latte with honey in it?
Double shot iced latte?
I can see my latte sitting on the bench over there. Bring it to me. It's for drive-through, love. Bring it over here. Cheers. Thank you. Well, I'm glad we got through that. Hell. Seriously. No honey. We have barista award-winning coffee, but we have Neanderthals to make it for you, so it's not nice. Perfect. Pro tip, if you are making a cold drink with honey in it, put the honey into the coffee first so it melts, give it a stir, and then put the milk in. Otherwise I'm left with a brick of honey at the bottom. Onwards and upwards. We are going down the freeway today to, like I said, On Boost Auto. It's about 2 hours there in Revesby in Sydney. 2 hours for me is probably going to be about 2 hours. 2 hours for you guys is going to be probably 3, 2, 1. Boom! And just like that, we are in the middle of Sydney. Well, Western Sydney, well and truly. So we have just rocked up to On Boost Auto Parts, and it says Subaru Late Model Specialists. Let's go in there and have a chat to them. We'll see how we're going. I'm not going to take the camera in because honestly it's a little bit weird, even me still talking to a camera on my own. It's a pretty foreign concept, and the last thing I want to do is just go throw a camera in someone's face. So probably see the gearbox getting thrown in the back of the car. So let's go in and have a look. We are in. There she is. Parts, tail shaft, cross members, rear drive shaft, box itself, clutch, Waiting on the diff, it's just getting pulled out of the car now, and then we're good to go. We are just leaving on Boost Auto now. It was epic. It was actually sick. I got the whole conversion. I spoke to Bill. I believe he's the guy that owns the joint. Super knowledgeable guy. Had all the answers to my questions in terms of diff ratios and what needs to suit what and what can go in it, what I should be looking for, how to go about installing it, blah, 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 all that type of stuff. So that's sick. This has been a long time coming. I've been searching for a 6-speed, and in particular a 6-speed full conversion, not just a gearbox and then plate Lego and try and get the rest of it all together yourself. This one came up like $1,000 cheaper than the next best thing, and the next best thing I was actually going to talk to a guy next week about it up in Newcastle, and that was just a box tail shaft and diff. We're going home now. Another 2-hour journey back. It's going to be super quick for you guys, super for me. Hashtag Pennet Hills Road. Anyone in Sydney will know what I'm talking about. And then we get to go home and unload it all and store it and see what Mum has to say about me needing a new gearbox but not really needing a new gearbox, and is this just more car parts that you didn't need? Yes, yes it is. Anyway, we'll be home in 3, 2, 1.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Quick little side note, Western Sydney is one hell of a place. I mean, like, sweet car scene out there, like awesome restaurants. Uber Eats, I'm sure, is off its head. Narcotics, a gun, anything really. And that's probably, you could just get all that from one person, to be honest.
That means you're extra
Why don't you put it on there? Why do you want to get a bit of grip? Where are you going? Out back here? And here we are. Unfortunately, I found out the hard way when we were finishing that part that you've just seen that my camera decided to die. I actually just edited this whole vlog and then got to the very end and it just is cactus. But there's nothing that you missed in particular, it's just me loading up the rest of the 6-speed and all of the bits and pieces onto the tub, and then we go from there. So yeah, it's that's the end of the vlog anyway. It's been a fun one and it's super exciting that now we actually have something sick on the channel. The next few videos are going to be bits and pieces to do with the 6-speed and then a full 6-speed install. I've made a mad little list of like how to install a 6-speed for dummies, and yeah, it's gonna be dope. So anyway, thanks for watching. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, or just, I don't know, do whatever you want. Ciao.
You shut the door on everything we knew. You're too late for love, feeling your true love, feeling on.
Yeah, shout out Zach.